Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. Okay, so first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. It should be somewhere here. Here we have it. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it. Come on. And after you enter the settings, look for the option called display and tap on it, of course. Here, look for the screen on duration and select it. And we have different durations. We have the list. We have 5 seconds, 8 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25, and 30 seconds. So select the one you like. For example, 20 seconds. And then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And now I set it to 20 seconds, so my screen will turn off automatically after 20 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the screen or the buttons for 20 seconds, the screen will turn off to save some power. Basically, if it will be turned on all the time, it will waste a lot of battery life. But it will turn off after 20 seconds, like this, to save the power. And you can make it shorter or make it longer, depending on your preferences. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.